And you're probably going to have some opportunities to work for free. And it, make sure that you know what you're getting out of those opportunities. Make sure that you're never just working for a theoretical sort of notion of exposure to a random audience that you have no connection with or investment in. Make sure that you know what you are getting for your work. If you are working for your passions, if you are working to develop your skills, make sure that you are developing and that you understand that. If you are working for to be on the stage, to be in front of an audience, to have the real-time sort of electric editing of a lot of people criticizing your work, then make sure that you're getting that. Make sure that you're getting editing. Make sure that you're getting development and coaching. Never work for free. Always know the value of your labor. And when I say never work for free, I don't mean never take an internship that doesn't pay. Because you might be in a circumstance where you can, and that's the right decision. But make sure that you know what you're getting for your work.